Let's turn trash into a decorative item in these motion pictures. I'm going to take a candy paper bag and give it some rounds of clear coat spray to stiffen it up enough for it to handle being painted with epoxy. Then we'll see how that turns out. After one coat on the outside, the bag is starting to get quite hard. I'm going to give it a round on the inside too, then do both sides over again once the epoxy has hardened. Some days later and 4 brushes poorer, the paper bag is now a cool candy bowl or container for putting stuff in. Using this method with clear coat spray and epoxy, you can basically turn any kind of bags into decorative items or unique storage containers.